How to enable touch screen home button on iPhone. First is by going to your settings and then scroll down until you can see accessibility right here. Click on accessibility and go to physical and motor section right here. Click on touch, which is the very first option, and click on assistive touch on the uppermost part. And then make sure to click on this toggle button right here, and it should turn green right there. And then once you have clicked on the toggle button, the assistive touch will appear, which is this circle thing that I'm moving right here. Whenever you click on the assistive touch, you may be able to see home right here on the bottom mid of the screen. So whenever you click home, then it will go to your home page on your iPhone. So there you go. That's how you can enable touch screen home button on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.